Hi everyone, today we're going to tackle solar panels because I've been seeing an awful lot of chatter about this, about rip-offs and so on. Now I'm very good at maths, in fact I'm extremely good at maths, so I always work out what it's going to cost me and when I make a profit, because that's what it's all about. So stay tuned, I'll tell you how many panels you need, what it should cost and when you make a £1 profit. The first thing to do is dig out the January electric bill. That's the biggest one of the year. So don't look at the money side of it, just how many kilowatts you've used from the first to the last day in January. Keep that figure, write it down. The next thing we need to do is look how many kilowatts we use for the whole year. So this is an example of a 3-bedroom semi, around 3,700 of them. And it will need roughly 9 panels. So we're going to see here the installation system cost is upwards of 6,000, probably a lot more, and a payback between 8 and 12 years. But I'm going to give you a much more precise figure. Solar panels are a prepayment method. You're paying somebody £10,000 so you can have a direct debit of about £1 to £5 a month. That's what it should be. But don't forget, it's going to take you years to pay it off. Is it a good investment? Of course it is, but don't be hoodwinked by all these adverts of saying cheap or free, payback and hours off. You can do anything you like at 3 o'clock on a Sunday morning. Apart from all the promises that these salesmen give, remember you need to buy a battery, and a large battery. That and the installation needs to be checked every single year by a qualified electrician with solar panel certification. And they aren't cheap. They're brilliant, but they ain't cheap. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it informative. And if you did, please like, subscribe and spread the gospel for Mr. Combi's channel. Everything to do with central heating, independent advice. Take care and all the best.